transcription. Okay, hello everyone, and today we are going to talk about the current week 21. And this week you should familiar with the asynchronous programming, one of the modern technologies that you would use too often. So I guess it was your attention. Currently, you should learn about promises, but in future, perhaps you will learn RxJS, its alternative of promises. The next one, you should learn about RESTful API. It's a communication protocol with the backend side. And seems something wrong with my this link. Okay, I will check what is wrong with the link, but let me open another way. Oh, it's run with the GitHub. Seems it's not working now. Oh, it's cool. Okay, guys, can you hear me? Perhaps there's something wrong with my internet.
We can hear you, but you are not presenting. Not sharing your screen.
Oh. And you just listen to me, yeah? Okay, one more time. First model that you should learn this week is asynchronous programming. It's about promises. The next part that you should learn this week is RESTful API. It's a protocol for communication with the backend, and this week you will do very interesting task. You start doing this task this week and complete within 3 weeks, after 2 weeks long. And about this task, will tell you Andrei. And currently, a few words about new task. It's CoreJS promises. As you know, there are a lot of small tasks that you should resolve within this and the next week. So you have only 2 weeks to complete these tasks. And related to async raise, this task will be checked by 2 ways. One way is cross-check, another it's mentors. So you will complete and submit it for mentors review, and I will update this assignment, but because you should submit it for cross-check as well. And that's all from my side today. And Andre, the microphone is yours. Please tell our student about async raise task.
Thank you, Hannah. Okay.
But do not forget to share your screen.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see.
Okay. Hello, everyone. Today I have pleasure to presenting an async race task. This practical task was created to consolidate the theoretical knowledge gained in the asynchronous programming module. The task objective is the creation of a single page application, also known as SPA. Your application should consist of 2 views. The first view is garage. Can you see the screenshot, Anna?
Yep.
Okay, good. The first view is garage, and the second one is winners. Okay. Garage view should contain control panel where you can create a car and set a color of the car, or you can update name and color of the car, start race, reset race, and generate cars. By clicking to the generate cars button, the 100 cars should be generated. But yeah, the next section of this page is garage, and garage section should contain amount of cars, number of the page, and your cars, but no more than 7. Not more than 7 per page. It means that you have to implement a page pagination. Yeah, you can see previous and next page buttons. One more important point that when you're navigating between views, the page state should be preserved. It means if you have page number 2, the second page on the garage view, and when you navigate to winners and return, you also should have to see the second page here. Okay. The winners page should contain information, amount of winners, number of the page, and information about cars, like cars number, amount of wins, and the best time. This is what about views. All cars should have start button and engine start button. On this screenshot, it created like A button and also stop button. By clicking on this engine start button, a car animation is started. And there are 2 cases. When car approached the finish line, the car should be stopped. Also, if current car receive an error from the server, like 500 code with message, the engine has been broken down. So in this case, the car should stop also. Okay, but by clicking to the engine stop or reset, all cars should be moved to the start point. Clicking by race button, all cars on this page should start the race. And when race is finished, the name of the winner should be shown here. Yeah. We provided we provide a mock backend. It doesn't necessary to deploy backend. Only UI should be deployed, and reviewer have to run backend locally. Okay. Yeah, UI should be deployed to review, and your work will be evaluated by functional and non-functional requirements. You can find it here, functional and non-functional. And pay attention to details in the implementation, as bugs and deviation from the requirements can impact your score. Thank you for your attention.
And one remark from my side, pay attention that we are not providing any design for you. We believe that you're able to switch on your imagination and create awesome design exactly that you want to see in order to racing. So if you have any question, please feel free to ask or write in the chat, up to you. Okay, Anna is typing something. Since no question from my side, thank you. So if there is no question, I wish you a good week and see you next week. Bye bye.
Thank
See
you.
you.
Bye bye.